One of the hottest concealed carry guns in America just got a little bit hotter. Springfield Armory just released a new 15-round magazine for the Hellcat. And the question is this still good enough for concealed carry or just for use at the range? Plus, stick around to the end of the video. We have a gun giveaway that's going to end soon, and you can win a gun absolutely free. Hi, I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you're new to this channel, we want to help you prepare for everything you'll encounter before, during, and after a self-defense incident. Now, let's get into this video. We'll start by making sure everybody knows this gun, my Springfield Hellcat, is clear and safe. Magazines are out, there's nothing in the magazine well, and we do a visual and physical inspection of the chamber. No rounds in there. We have no rounds in any of the magazines, and if I had magazine pouches, I would be checking them as well. So, we're starting with a clear gun, and we're talking about this brand new 15-round magazine from Springfield Armory. How does the 15-round magazine feel in your hand? Well, you know what? I am super happy with this thing. Put the magazine in and look at that. We got enough purchase, enough grip down there, so even my pinky finger on my big old ham-handed hand right there fits on this gun fully. So if you really want to hide your gun, start with the 11-rounder while you're carrying and keep the 15-rounder as your backup magazine. Feels great in your hand, and it only adds 2 more rounds of weight. Yeah, 2 more rounds is from the 13-round magazine that they offer, but 2 more rounds of weight, so it's not difficult to carry at all. It's a wonderful, good feel on the magazine, and it brings you up to some of those bigger concealed carry guns. One of the Austrian makers that I used to carry a lot. I still carry it quite a bit too. But now that the Springfield Armory Hellcat has 15-round capacity, it's in league with something like a Glock 19 for carrying. So, who is this for? It's for anybody who wants a few extra rounds. And honestly, in all my years of doing this, I've never spoken to anybody who's been in a gunfight who said, "Whew, I wish I had fewer bullets." Nope, it gives you the opportunity. If you carry all of the magazines that Springfield Armory makes, you can have 39 rounds of ammo with you. 11-round mag in your gun, a 13 and a 15 round as backup. So, before we move on, let me remind you, watch all the way to the end because we do have a gun giveaway. It is ending soon, but we'll tell you how to win a free gun after the end of this video. So, a couple of people have asked, is it legal to carry 15 rounds in your concealed carry gun? Yeah, check your local laws. It's legal to carry whatever is legal to carry in your area. I don't know of anybody who restricts 15-round magazines other than some of the wildly liberal states, California, Massachusetts, New Jersey, places like that. But again, go to uscca.com/laws. If you don't know your local laws, we got all that information right there for you. So, recapping what we got, Springfield Armory has now come out with a 15-round magazine, 15 rounds, take a look at that, for the Springfield Armory Hellcat. Now, you can carry this as your primary magazine, and it makes your gun just a little bit longer and just a little bit heavier, but not too bad. Or drop that 11-round original magazine in the Hellcat and carry your 13 and your 15-round magazine as backups. It retails for about $40. Not real expensive, and it's direct OEM product. Springfield Armory makes this. It's not an aftermarket magazine from some other manufacturer. All right, we're here at the end now. So I get to tell you how this gun giveaway works. And remember, this is ending soon. All you need to do is go down and click on the link below. And that will reveal what brand new gun you can win. That's all there is to it. No catch. Just click on the link, tell you everything you need to do. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.